Hello everyone, we're Tony and Sydney, and this is Salt Shaker, a 1979 Cape Dory 36 that became our home after selling everything and leaving our life on land behind. We are on a mission to explore the world by sail and to build a life shaped by the journey. Join us as we make our way down the coast of Mexico, Central America, and beyond. Good morning. It is finally time to leave La Cruz after a long time sitting here and waiting for our mainsail. We haven't put it up yet, but we got it down below. We can still use our main. In the meantime, we just want to get out of here and get on to the next place. We need to go stop in, get some fuel, get some water. We're going to be heading to Yelapa. It's quite expensive. I think it's like 800 pesos a night for a bow and stern mooring ball. But yeah, there's supposed to be waterfalls, and it's a popular spot. Everybody goes there. We contemplated it, but everyone was told us, nah, you have to go. So we're gonna go. It's a town that is cut off from pretty much the outside world. To get there, you either have to go by boat or people use donkeys. And I believe you can get there with a four-wheel drive as well. I don't know about a truck, but probably a quad or something. The passage is it's only like 15 miles, but it'll probably take us a while. I don't think there's much wind today. So I think it'll be between 3 and 5 hours. Let's go. $170 for 20 gallons. I think that comes out to about $8.50 a gallon or something like that. It's crazy. It's ridiculous. But oh well, Sydney's coming back.
Look at my sweaty face.
All right, let's head out to Yelapa.
It's kind of sad because we're saying goodbye to all of our friends who are crossing Discovery, Tardigrade, Athena. Athena's in the marina, but we like kind of parted ways and then met up again over and over again throughout the Sea of Cortez. So this is kind of like our last hurrah before we part ways again for a much longer period of time. So that's one of the hard things about cruising. You know, you make really good friends and then you all have your own plans. But hopefully we'll see them again someday. Hi guys, we'll miss you.
Got 3 sails out, and we're doing about 4.5 knots with about 7 knots of wind. Only downer is that the wind's coming from the exact place that we're trying to go, so we're going to be tacking our way up. Yeah. Almost there. We're a little less than an hour away. Wind's picked up to about 12 knots, and we're going at about 5.5, 6 knots boat speed. So, yeah, good progress. Made good progress. Yeah, check it out in a little bit. This is the mooring situation in Yelapa. It's about what I expect. I might dive on it a little bit, but it's like 100, 200 feet deep right here, even though we're this close to shore. So we won't be able to see the bottom, but can at least check it out for a little bit. Yeah, and we got a stern tie too.
It's beautiful here.
And this is the situation on the stern. What a beautiful spot. We're gonna relax for now. We're gonna be here for, well, we're gonna be here all day tomorrow. So we'll get plenty of time to explore tomorrow. So for now, we'll just relax. Maybe we'll go to shore, not sure. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a bit and I'll let you know before we head out. It's such a trip how Mexico works. We're in the middle of nowhere. There's no road access to this place. And so they bring these boats out here from probably Puerto Vallarta, and they come out here and they come to these restaurants, palapas. But there's always so many palapas. Like, how do they even do business? Like, there's so much competition no matter where you go. I don't know. Seems such. And then, do the people that live here run these palapas, or because the people that live here are over here, and they have their own restaurants and stuff over here. It's all so confusing. Well, we decided to go to shore after all. There are 2 waterfalls here, and the small one is right in town. Perfect for the afternoon.
Smile for me.
All right, you guys, you gotta see the roots on this thing. Look how crazy that is. I don't know if that's papaya. It looks kind of like a papaya, but that is the narrowest, longest papaya I've ever seen. It's probably not papaya, but still looks like it. Look at this. We're being guided by the local dogs.
The local pack.
They're showing us the way.
Eat them. Where are we going, guys?
Big dog's waiting. He's like, come on, you slowpokes. What are you guys doing? Let's go.
Short legs.
Oh, watch out. All right, bye-bye.
Yeah,
It's the end of the road. Just kidding. Here he comes. She.
I think that's a girl. Oh, we lost the little ones.
No, they're still there. They're coming. Maybe the other one, the white one, doesn't want to come this far. Oh, big dog's gone.
morning from Yelapa. Just having our coffee. Woke up early today. We're gonna go on a hike to the waterfall. There's 2 hikes here. One of them's like 10 minutes up the road, and that one was cool. We did that yesterday, but today we're gonna go on the longer one. Should be about an hour and a half up the mountain, and it's supposed to be a much bigger pool. So somewhere we can actually get in the water and swim. This one was kind of shallow. And yeah, we're gonna pack a lunch and be gone for most of the day. And we'll take you with us, so cheers to that. This is Juan Julio Ricardo de la Rosa Ramirez III, and he's the best tour guide in all of Yelapa. We found the local parking lot, as you can see. Forgot to bring our car. Juan didn't bring his map.
After swimming for a couple hours, it was time to start heading back. Our loyal guide dog stayed with us the entire time. We still don't know if he was someone's dog or a stray, but regardless, it was nice to have a dog again, even if only for a day. We just got back from our hike. It was really nice. definitely recommend. The hike wasn't too bad. There's a little bit of portion where you have to climb up and down the rocks. But yeah, so now we're back on the boat. We're gonna relax for a bit, and then make dinner, go to sleep pretty early. We'll be leaving tomorrow, and we're gonna go down to Chamela, anywhere between 16 and 24-hour passage. There's not gonna be much wind, and I don't really want to motor. I mean, we'll motor if we have to, but don't really want to, so yeah. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about the new intro in the comments. I think it's a little long, but there's tons of great footage and it's hard to choose. So yeah, let me know what you think. Next time we're gonna be getting out of Banderas Bay and making longer jumps down the coast. See you next time.